It's nothing, no pretense, no deceit. It's open, innocent, and beautiful. So, every environment has an impact on our mind. So that is the reason why you go to these places. A temple also is supposed to have an impact. Everything will have an impact. Therefore, a prisoner teacher also is supposed to have an impact.
Yeah.
So we choose those things for those particular activities because those settings have an impact on our mind and create a state of mind conducive for that activity. So you go to a temple where the mind becomes prayerful. Go to a classroom where the mind becomes a learning mind. Go to nature where the mind becomes peaceful mind. So anything in nature, the body of water has a magical effect.
Yeah.
It is a lake, river, ocean, even a small pond, So all elements of nature. Earth, this is all earth, of course. The trees and rocks and mountains are all modifications of earth.
Yeah.
And water. These two are most abundant elements. We don't see fire, and so as far as the wind is concerned, when it is suitable wind, when the breeze is slow and cool, and that has the same similar effect. Fire also, in the sunlight when it is, the mornings when this is the rising sun, that light, that fire also, very pleasing.
Natural
Rising
draw.
sun, setting sun. So earth, water, fire, when the breeze is cool and slow, and they talk of a breeze having three attributes. Shita means it's cool, Manda means it is slow, and fragrant. Depends on where the breeze is coming from, being the fragrance. All of these are very pleasing effects on the mind.
Yeah.
Space, of course, vastness. And what is in the sky? And everything in nature, all plants, animals, everything is just innocent. It may look like a wild animal, and maybe we may brand it as cruel when it kills something else, but in itself it is innocent.
Yeah. Not acting out of
Out of impulse, out of anger, or grudge, or jealousy, nothing like that. It's out of its nature. And therefore, it does not bring about any undesirable distraction. It just maintains the balance. It doesn't consume more than it needs in nature. So wild animals don't consume more than what they need. So they don't go around on a killing spree or something like that.
Right.
So you don't grudge a tiger or a lion. And they're all so graceful when seen in the natural habitat.
Yeah.
Each thing is so graceful, every little creature. And of course some are more graceful to us. Like a tiger is an extremely graceful animal. A horse is an extremely graceful animal. Because we have some idea of grace, I'm sure. A donkey also is equally graceful, but you find a horse more graceful. There's those things that move fast in a certain rhythm, like cheetah. We call it graceful. But otherwise an elephant also is called graceful.
Oh yeah.
Because sometimes the, what do you call it,
Trunk?
the gait.
Oh, the gate.
The gait is compared to an elephant, to a horse, to a peacock,
Yeah.
So, they are all lovable, you can see. So that prem element is so, when your mind is ready, everything is lovable. It's our mind.
Yeah.
And that's what nature does. Momentarily all those raga dvesha, it just drops off. And you have a mind which is objective and present. Doesn't project. It's a non-demanding mind, you can say. Which is able to appreciate things as they are. And as they are, they're beautiful.
Yeah.
Our biggest problem is only with human beings. We don't have problems with almost anything else. Unless we are greedy, unless we are cruel, then we have problems even with nature.
But we create problems with.
Yeah. Then we create problems for them, or they become problem to us, whatever it is, yeah. But otherwise, nature generally invokes from you a non-demanding person, an appreciating person. But other human beings push a buttons, Nature doesn't push any buttons. That's why we feel very comfortable. Unless some buttons are so strong, that even nature cannot, invoke. But otherwise, generally it works.
So then sometimes, I find it, should I avoid the people that are more inclined to push other people's buttons? Or should I be around them to see the beauty in them?
If you are able to see the beauty requires an objective mind. And if you can maintain an objective mind in spite of they being what they are, yes, sure. But they being what they are, and somehow by the very presence push buttons in you, then you have to think about it. Then it's a challenge. And you can take that challenge unknowingly, then it's okay. Otherwise, it can become a formidable task.
Yeah.